Hello everyone, this is Lucy from Landpack. We are a packing machine manufacturing over 16 years experience. Now, I'd like to introduce horizontal Doypack filling machine with 10 hands configuration wheel for coffee beans. Now, let's go to see the machine details. And this is the sieve type elevator for product feeding. And this is the 10 hands contribution wheel for machine and feeding the product. And this is the main machine. Let's go to see the main machine details. Now let me introduce the main machine details step by step. This is the bag feeding conveyor. And these two special devices is in order to putting more bags. And this is the ribbon cutting printer. If you want to day print, if you can use it. And this is the bag opening device and then filling the product in it. And this is for bag selling and output to the finished product conveyor. This 7-meter long conveyor belt connects the discharge point to the two machines to collect finished product packages. And this is the finished package. If you're interested in it, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.